Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss semi-modals: has to, have to, had to and will have to. We use has to, have to express present obligation or necessity. We use the semi-modals has to and have to in the present tense, and we use has to with the third person singular pronouns. What are third person singular pronouns? They are he, she, it. With these pronouns we use has to express present obligation or necessity. For example, she has to wake up early to help his mother in the kitchen. He has to help his father in the field work. With the remaining pronouns we use have to in the present tense. For example, I have to finish my project by tomorrow. They have to practice regularly to do well in the race. He has to visit his grandparents next week. For example, in the sentence, he has to visit his grandparents next week, that is the present obligation with future implications. Even to express present obligation with the future implications, we use either has to or have to. We use the semi-modal had to express past obligation or necessity. For example, we had to wait in a long line at the hospital. She had to wake up early in the morning to catch the train. These are the examples of the sentences with had to which express past obligation or necessity. We use the semi-modal will have to express future obligation. For example, if my friend calls me, I'll have to go to the airport to pick him up. In this sentence, will have to express future obligation. For example, if you fall sick, you will have to stay at home. In this sentence, you will have to stay at home expresses future obligation. Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and give it a thumbs up.